तो गाइज़ अभी हम लोग रुके हैं पीटीटी स्टेशन पे। अब हम लोग बस से अलाइट हो चुके हैं क्योंकि आगे जो है बस नहीं जाएगी। आगे का रास्ता जो है वो काफ़ी नैरो है, तो उसके लिए छोटी छोटी गाड़ियाँ हमारे पास आई हैं, तो जिनमें हम लोग जाएंगे। थ्रिल वाला एक्सपीरियंस आने वाला है। लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस। गाड़ियाँ ये गाइज़ ये गाड़ियाँ आई हैं, इनमें हम लोग जाएंगे क्योंकि आगे रास्ता जो है वो बहुत छोटा है, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया। जाने लगे थे और बिना चीज़ पे बैठ के जाने लगा था। चलो कोई बात नहीं, जोक सपाट। अब हम लोग इसमें जाएंगे। बड़ा ये को पायलट बैठ गया। वर्षा जिसकी फोटो ले ले। Say hi here as well. Have a nice journey, na?
Yeah, thank you.
Another gang here, right? देखना ये अपने आप चल रही है। See guys, इसको धक्का लगा के रोकना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि अपने आप ही चल पड़ रही है। नो ब्रेक्स। चलो guys, we are going now. Singers.
வலிக்கல
So guys, वो अर्जुन दिख रहा है, वो देखो पीछे बैठा हुआ, हमारी गैंग का एक सदस्य। वर्षा
வார்த்தை ஒரு வார்த்தை சொன்னால் என்ன, பார்வை ஒரு பார்வை பார்த்தால் என்ன.
So guys, the ways is getting narrower and narrower.
I will take the lyrics in English. Yes.
Highway से service road, then link road, then lanes. So आगे भी कुछ गाड़ियाँ चली हैं. Guys, here we reached. तो अभी हमारा म्यूजिक सिस्टम स्टॉप होगा थोड़ी देर के लिए। तोड़ दे। So guys, तो ये है थोड़ा खतरनाक सा एरिया जो हमें क्रॉस करना है।
अच्छी बात है, 6 किलो कम स्विमिंग।
How do you feel so far?
Too good.
Too good.
Till now good. It's slippery. So guys, after crossing we reach here Grandma's Garden. बाकी जनसंख्या विद लगेज अभी पहुंच रही है धीरे धीरे। तो ये हम लोग अपना सामान ले आए गाइस। यस ब्रो।
हम आगे भेजेंगे because he is experienced in this.
किसमें? डंक खाने में?
Experience in
Getting stinged by the bees.
beekeeping.
So guys, this is the sitting arrangement for us.
Are you from India? Namaste.
What about yours?
From Myanmar.
Sadika.
Grandma garden. This is basically the inherited from her grandma. Normally there was a barren land, mostly consists of sand. That is caused almost impossibility to grow crops here. They went and seek the improvement of the King Rama 9 theory to add more nutrients to the soil. And so when the soil are fertile enough, more crops, flowers, and leaves grow that attract more insects, including bees and citrus bees. The tube here is there were 4 oil inside to prevent ants from crawling into the nest.
เพราะศัตรูของเขามีมด
This
แด
is how
ง
the
มี
normal ant house looks
จิ้ง
like.
จกไข่พึ่งนี้เป็นตัวล่อ
Putting bee
เพื่อ
bags
ให้เขาเข้าอยู่
inside.
So this substance is the beeswax. the
Be
sign
wax.
of welcome in front of their home.
โอเค
Okay, this bee wax we have to rub.
Side of the entrance.
พอเราทาเสร็จแล้ว
No,
เรา
cannot
ก็ไป
wait, I'll
ตั้ง
take it.
วางแล้วพึ่ง
So this is the bee wax.
And
Guys, this is smoker.
powerfully.
เรา
Oh,
ก็
oh, oh.
เรา
Like
ฮะ
light.
และมีดเพราะว่าน้ำผึ้งมีที่เป็นกรดอ่อนถ้าเกิด
Bora
ใช้
the explorer.
จะทำ
Guys, इनको देख लो कैसे भर भर के लगा है खाने में.
How to harvest the bee honey, and after that he's gonna show us how to do it in real life.
ได้12 เมตรโดยไม่ต้องจ่ายตังค่าไฟไม่ต้อง
The water flows through the pipe and the valve. It can rise up to 12 meters. No use of electricity.
โด
Pressure.
ยใช้น้ำจากธรรมชาติในลำคลอง
Used by the water flow nearby.
โอเค สามารถส่ง
Shows what rubber tree look like.
So here this is the second way of pulling out the water. Here is King Rama IX's photo, and according to his philosophy, as they have told, water is the utmost important requirement for irrigation or any other purposes. Here they use rubber oil from rubber tree that is basically used in this pump which you can see underneath this poster. So they give the name of pulling this water process as rubber oil water. While this is the third one which is powered by solar panels. Stingless Bee Museum.
โอเคเอาไม่เป็นไรตรงนี้เป็นพิพิธภัณฑ์เล็กๆน้อย
Of the stingless bee.
ๆนี่เป็นของจริง
This is real stuff. Touch.
ดูตัวติกะสายพันธุ์
The most exotic kind of stingless bee is the burrow type. They make their nest underground.
นี่หายากนี่ก็ไปดูว่ามีสายพันธุ์ไหนมั่งนะเอาเลย
Called this the trumpet stingless bee. Mostly they coexist with termites. They build their ground and live together. Coexist together.อยู่ในใต้ดินใช่ไหมคะ
เอามาเลยอยู่นี่เขา
Coexist with ants and termite burrows.
เป็น
The 700 cc of their honey costs 3,000 baht. You can come to look.
ดูได้
The entrance is here.
Okay.
เดี๋ยวจะให้ดูดน้ำผึ้งดูของจริงกันเลย
So this is the entrance.
โอเคนะ
And it generally take 2 months, one cycle, and then honey can be collected from these.
So this kind of stingless bee is called crystal, not in gem of course.
เอกลักษณ์ของเขาเป็นเสิร์ชนึ่งข้าวเหนียวหรือพิซซ่าโคด
So the exotic point, the unique point, is the way of their entrance door. Consists of looking like the
Something called bird. Where, you know,
เสิร์ชนึ่งข้าวเหนียว
similar to the pizza cone or
Ground.
often used to cook sticky rice in the northeast part of Thailand.
He also unique, huh?
Be special person because have a God protect you.
No God protecting you. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. We are finding this more interesting than visiting the beehives.
Mấy tên 2 ปี At least 2 years. You remember me 2 years only.
Okay. God guides me something.
ใช่
someone to guide you about something.
Like you're curious about me. You only.
God blessing you.
Blessing you only.
God gifted child.
Planning to have 2 wives, thus they're gonna fight each other.
No, one by one, not both. One by one he will take.
รักสามีมาก
Oh, they can, like both of them love you like deeply.
Love marriage or arranged marriage is the question.
What?
Both can be in options.
First or second?
See, both cannot be arranged, na?
Only one.
Only
Your woman will marry you.
Ah,
No, not working.
we have many in lab now.
But India woman.
ถ้าคุณจะด่าพี่
ไม่เป็นไรค่ะหนูเป็นสตาฟค่ะหนูเป็นสตาฟ
จะด่า
หนูเป็นสตาฟค่ะ
Now all are showing their hands.
หนูมาดูรอบนึงแล้ว
เมื่อกี้ใคร
See guys, जिन्होंने जाना था वो तो चले गए पढ़ने और बाकी सारे यहीं पर है.
You want to know more?
Except married.
सो गाइस वो सिलसिला वैसे ही चलता रहा हाथ दिखाने का काफ़ी लोगों का. सो जस्ट टू हैव अ लुक ऑन द बी हाइव्स ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ बीज, ऑलमोस्ट 25 ओवर हेयर. सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अराउंड, यू कैन सी. So guys, here we are having the lunch. Yes. So guys, अब ज़रा सा खाने के बाद हम लोग ज़रा सा वैसे से घूमने के लिए पीटीटी स्टेशन जा रहे हैं और 7-Eleven. Guys, we forget our car from which we came actually.
Yeah, Gokul is forgot.
You can beat him now. I will upload in the video. Go. Stupid student of stupid here. So after coming back from the PTT, there is now another activities for us where we gonna learn about the Thai traditional desserts, which we're gonna prepare by our hands only. And this is the activities for the second half.
This is like a mochi, but in the southern style.
Means?
It's a flower. Mochi.
Okay.
Mochi, yeah.
So here we have been separated into two groups. One group of ours will be preparing the soap where we are having the raw materials. Here as you can see, while the second group is focusing on preparing the food, that is Thai desserts. Glycerin.
กลีเซอรีนค่ะอันที่หนึ่งอันที่สองตัวนี้เป็น PG ตัวที่ทำให้สบู่ของเราแข็งตัว
This
นะ
is
คะ
PG that make your soap become like more stable. Yes.
Okay, what is this actually? Name?
PG.
PG เป็น PG ทีนี้ก็เป็นส่วนผสมที่สวนของสวนคุณยาย
Honey.
So the soap we are gonna do today, this is the honey bee here of the stingless bee.
Okay.
ใช่ค่ะตัวนี้นะคะอีกตัวนึงค่ะอันนี้คือทามาริน
Tamarind. Okay.
ทามารินอันนี้คือน้ำมันมะพร้าวสกัดเย็นนะคะแล้วก็
Coconut oil and turmeric.
แล้วก็อีกอันนึงคือผงขมิ้น
So this what we call tamarind we are adding for. Okay, vitamins. Okay. ครับ
Yeah.
โอเคอันนี้คือขมิ้น
Yeah.
ขมิ้น
Curcumin.
ลูกบอกเขาเลยว่ารักษาผิว
Smell.
Okay.
สเมล
อันนี้กลิ่นอะไร
Essence.
อันนี้กลิ่นมูกกลิ่นมันมีเวลาเราทำสบู่เสร็จนะคะฟังนะเวลาแปลยากหน่อยอย่าบอก
So this will still remain mystery after till then.
put inside like this
Okay. I know the reason now. To remove the so that bubbles will not be there.
เก็บไว้ก่อนเก็บไว้ก่อน
So that it will remove the surface tension. When we mix, the bubbles will not be there on the soap.
เอาเพื่อไม่ให้เกิดฟองเหรอคะ
เก่งจัง
Yes.
ใช่ไหม
ใช่เดี๋ยวเอาไปเลยเดี๋ยว
Yes, you get a
ไม่ใช่
prize.
ถามสเปรย์หรอ
Yeah.
ถามทันที
In price give honey na.
รางวัลเป็นอะไรอ่ะ
So once the glycerin is dissolved fully, we allow it to cool down for few minutes before adding the other ingredients. 2 spoons of PG.
ใส่เลย2 ช้อนนะคะ
Tamarind. No honey. You can mix with the
ใส่
spoon
หมดเลย
only.
ค่ะ
All of it.
ค่ะ
And then turmeric.
ผงขมิ้นใส่หมดเลยค่ะครึ่งช้อนชา
Essence you have added.
กลิ่นหอมไหม
सर इसको हम सांचे में डाल देंगे.
ถ้าเหนื่อยก็เปลี่ยนมือได้นะคะฉีดฟองเลยค่ะ
It's almost done. Now we're spraying the alcohol.
เลยค่ะ
On the bubble. On the bubble.
โอ้เห็นไหมมันจะดับเลย
Sides also na. So guys, this was the first workshop of soap that we have finished. अब हम लोग दूसरी पे जा रहे हैं. That is for food making. Let's see what is going on there. So Bora chef mode on.
Bora the explorer. Man is the soil. Agadam pagadam
The
tigadam.
man who can cook. Man can cook.
Master chef. Nothing.
He do commentary only.
มีเสียงภาคด้วยเสียงภาคบอกอัดวิดีโอแล้วก็ภาคเสียง
So once it's hot, you can put it. Before heating and putting, we have to apply oil on the pan. Yeah, I'll get.
Bore bro, just stand this side.
Hey,
Hey.
Don't buy each other. You can try. You can try. Yeah. ไม่ได้น้องเขาขอโทษก่อน
so for this we have coconut sprinkling of the.
You can try.
Yeah. It's too good.
Tell the name.
Tell the name.
Don't know.
Name.
Name is I forgot. Katom. Katom.
Khatam.
Katom.
Yeah. Yes, we can try it. And that is a honey from here. Yeah.
Okay.
And it's a it's made with like a green beans, sugar, and coconut. Yeah. So if you want to try, you can go watch it and then
I with you.
Okay.
Okay.
Kartik, have you done
Hey.
this? No. Just try.
I'm just seeing.
Bee wax.
I want to smell this.
This is your product.
So this is bee wax.
Yeah.
जो हम लोगों ने इसको कोट
Bees
किया है.
from here, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. And this is from sticky rice, right?
Yeah, sticky rice.
And this from mung bean. And this flour.
And little bit sugar.
Also sugar. Okay, okay, okay.
You wanna try?
So guys, this is the last activity in which we all were given some themes, and for us it is traditional dance, and we have to tell about where we can utilize the honey apart from the things like what we call, like simply they made honey and wax. So apart from that, what else we can make. So we are making presentation on that only. After that we have to present also. And for this task we have been divided into 5 groups. देख सकते हो ये यहाँ पे सामान चुराने आए हैं, कंटेंट चुराने आए हैं. See this guy also. So guys, this is what we have made. So guys, this is another group, and one group is there, and one is there. ये हिरण्यकश्यप इन लोगों ने दूसरों की जगह देखने के लिए भेजे थे. कहाँ क्या हो रहा है यहाँ, सिर्फ गप्पे मार रहे हैं. ये देखो. And one there. So pink want to come first.
Oh really?
Okay, so special gift and big round of applause for the pink team first.
ChatGPT. ChatGPT group. ChatGPT group.
Those who are saying who have just given the contribution of writing only FOOD food, that's it. और गाइस ये क्यूट सी हनी भी दिख रही है ना, वो मैंने बनाई है.
So we have decided like from the first topic that we got is that how we can enhance the honey. 2 parts. So the first part is beauty product. So as we know, like honeybee has a lot of nutrients and some vitamins that can enrich your skin to look bright, look smoother and soothing. So we just like go well with the beauty products. For example, like facial mask, lip-balm, exfoliators, and stuff like that for skincare and beauty. Yes, and for another section, I will pass to Kathy to explain about it.
Okay, so we have some other activities of the honey that can be incorporated in the medical products, but includes the cough syrup. Because it is honey is known for its soothing and antimicrobial properties, so we can use it in cough syrup as well. Supplements, if we talk about supplements, we have multivitamins which we can incorporate in honey and we can use, and it can be used in the form of probiotics and to immune boosters as well. It improves health, digestion and boosts the energy. So another is gels and ointment, which are basically applying on the what we call arms and legs. So other is spray. Because of its antimicrobial property, as I have told you, and disinfecting properties, we can use some small cuts and wounds as well. So these are our what we call these. We have categorized the usage of honey in these two basically products, that are medical and the beauty products. So after this, traditional dances, which is the theme of our group.
It's that traditional dances, so we are going to divide.
Okay, for Thailand, we choose Sarigipat dance. Sarigipat commonly performed in southern part of Thailand, like Pattani, Phuket, and this province.
Karthik bhai, please join him. We have another time.
For the next one, I want to present Shan dance, which is one of the majority ethnics from Myanmar. I can't really dance, but I will try to show you a little bit.
And what about the time limit?
It's okay, you can.
No, we don't have. We cannot exceed the time. So that's done with our this. And last, I would like to mention, we have mentioned about the Bhangra, that is traditional dance of Punjab province of India. Okay, so thank you.
We have 5 minutes more for your dance.
We want to see you dance. 1 second. Waiting for the music.
Which song?
Can I help the mic?
That's done.
Most of you have this same answer. So we have learned, I have seen that there are different like stingless bees for the first time. That I got this information that there are bees which produce honey for the first and they are stingless. I thought bee always stings. So this is the first time. And then we got to know that how what are the eco-friendly business, we can say agro business. Eco-friendly. We don't harm, we build the environment in a natural way. So these are the things which our group, we have learned, and I think we can
Start a business.
disseminate, or we can spread this knowledge which we have learned through different medium. We can arrange some awareness programs in the villages, like we can say that extension program we used to say. We can go to the village as a resource person with what we have learned today, and with more knowledge. I think, thank you. That's the first part. So thank you. And the second part, we got the
It came from the Persian one, but according to India, it came from the Mughal rule. It around 1526, and most of the Islam here like biryani in around India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. And these are the biryani mostly famous during the festive occasion like the Diwali, and for Muslims like the Bagri, this kind of thing, and for the Christmas also for the Christians. And for this kind of biryani, and we can in varieties like shrimp biryani, chicken biryani, and mutton biryani, and egg biryani, this kind of thing. And vegetable biryani, otherwise known as the pulao. have to note that one for vegetarian people. Okay, and there are n number of varieties which belong to each state. For some people, they have the festival season like the Pongal, and for Karnataka, you have.
You have?
Okay.
Not
there are
interested.
So many of the traditional foods based on their states in India. Okay, thank you. One and all.
खुशी हुई इनके बंद करने पे.
I would be proud to introduce one of the 7 wonders in the world, that is Taj Mahal. And Taj Mahal was built by one of the emperors by name Shah Jahan for his love, Mumtaz. And like it's one of the significant monument which was built only for the love. Okay, it's known as a symbol, like it's a symbol of love in India and all over the world. It's also one of the 7 wonders in the world, and it is completely made up of marble, white marble, and it is situated in a city called Agra.
The reason, lot of reasons we have for celebrating the Diwali. One history behind it, the Lord Krishna killed the devil Narakasura. That day we have celebrated the Diwali, celebrated with a lot of crackers and like.
Narakasura took admission in ICSS. Okay. About my country festival. So my country festival is I'm from Thailand. Yeah, sometimes we like splashing water like we like Myanmar did. Like Myanmar. Yeah. 4 अक्षर पीकर for only 4 words is drinking water now. Or like we do. Your heart reach here. We do the activities together or like family team pe or religious activities. That's why they were not counting you in team. Like the elders, like watering. Yeah. It's like a Thailand New Year too. Yeah, in my childhood because I have ever played but the water to my friend. Which friend? Bala give sample. Bala, you gave sample? Yesterday we were talking about something. Drawing? Oh, Bala is a good. It's a good at drawing. Yeah. He draw this. And Tra is packed with information inside her. He carries a lot of information. She has a good brain. इसको वीडियो में guys, प्रोफेसर के साथ busy as usual. Please clap your hands to Michael. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Another need to introduce to my friend. So I would like to thank all of you, especially the organizers first, and the one who has taken care of each and everything. I mean the Grandma's Honey Farm owners and the one who are working here for their support, because of which we learned so many things. In first time in my life I have made the soap today by myself. Other things, it would be much better if you would have done the hands-on practice on extraction of the honey basically, which we didn't do actually. So that would be a good opportunity if we'll have this next time. I hope so. And thanks for arranging the meals also and the fun activities that we had. And we come to know about the various Thai students and other country students as well. We have the interaction with them, so it was really very good, wonderful. So thanks a lot. Thank you from all the international students. I would like to say thanks.
Thank you.
But again soap, na?
Yeah, so
Okay.
என்ன இவரு அதிகமா வாங்கிட்டு இருக்கிறாரு
நீ தான் இருக்குடா போனா போக மாட்டேங்கிற நான் தூக்கிடுவேன்
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Actually, I'm not Thai. I'm Japanese. Nihon Kinder. I'm just kidding. I'm Thai. Today is a delicious day because I eat a lot of things. Actually, okay. Seriously. Today I've got many knowledge such as seeing Balamani. seeing the bees, seeing the beehive, and then how they take care of bees and then get the honey from them to sell. And then in the afternoon we learn how to make the sweet such as mochi and then khanom dok don. This is very delicious thing and I eat a lot and it's worth it that I come here and I see new friends here with you. Balamani for you. Thank you. तो गाइस वो जो पीली सी प्यारी सी मधुमक्खी मैंने बनाई थी उसके परिणाम स्वरूप जो कि हमने प्रेजेंटेशन दी थी ये झोले हमें प्राइज में मिलने वाले हैं
From India, from Myanmar, from Thailand. Yeah, okay.
So guys, here we are closing the vlog because ट्रिप हुआ ख़त्म। अब हम लोग लगे अपने अपने घर जाने। पहले हम लोग पीटीडी जाएंगे, वहाँ से बस में बैठेंगे पीएससी की, उससे पहले इन छोटी गाड़ियों में जाएंगे, देन डिनर एंड देन वी विल गो। बाय बाय।
Basically introvert that word in humming mode. See.